Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm now at W Hotel in Montreal. Actually, we take the Via Rail from Toronto and come up to Montreal for the Labor Day long weekend. So we're planning to be here for 2 nights at the W Montreal, and then we'll drive up to Quebec City and then back to Montreal for a night at the Ritz-Carlton, and then heading back to Toronto via rail. So I'm going to give a quick room tour. It's an ad hoc trip, so it's not really planned for it, but this is a fantastic suite, so I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So opening up, the first door is the iron and iron board with the luggage rack, and then a smooth operator for like steamer for suit and stuff. Okay, and then that's the closet area with 2 pair of slippers. And then moving right along is the safe deposit box, and also with the ice bucket here. So you can see, you know, W Hotel, some like it, some doesn't like it, always with some design element. So we stay a lot of W before, and this is one of the bigger fantastic suite that we have stayed at. Anyway, continuing on, they have the Nespresso coffee machine and the full bar, they call it. Of course, it's to pay for it, but then they have the full snacks. And then they also have the full mini fridge, mini bar. Okay, so this is what they use for this hotel with the gold silver setup. I'm on the 8th floor, 819. There's not much view, but it's okay. You know, it's in downtown Montreal. So zooming back, so this is the door I walk in. This is the sofa area, and then facing, that's the work desk area. Then definitely you can project the computer on the screen, and as usual, this is a rotating television set that it can rotate from the living area to the bedroom. So one TV can be viewed from 2 sides. Okay, so this is the bedroom, again with the nice design element. A nice king size bed, again checking, you know, very thick mattress, nice pillow set up, nice linen. Actually, the design is quite okay for this one. Okay, so this is the bathroom area. They do have the bathtub, but you can see they do not have the fixed door for the bathtub. So again, they are making use of the curtain concept, that you can use the curtain to close out for this side of the room should you want to use the bathtub. And then this is the rain shower, you know, a really big spacious rain shower. And then this is their amenities, and then this is their bathtub. It's quite deep, but it's a little narrow, but that's okay. So they do have the weight, and then double sink, nice fluffy towel. And then for the toilet, they do have a door, but then other than that, they are using the curtain to separate the bedroom, the living room with this big bathroom. Okay, so we're going to be here for 2 nights. We will have breakfast tomorrow morning, so or for the 2 mornings, so we'll definitely show you more about it. The water is complimentary. They have 2 bottles of complimentary water. And I guess that's about the room tour of the fantastic suite at W Hotel in Montreal. So I'm changing the television back on this side, and then to give you a final view of the entire room.